In this video, I'll show you how to send an invoice on Payoneer. Payoneer lets eligible users request payments from clients by sending a payment request, which works like an invoice. This is useful if you are a freelancer, contractor, service provider, or business owner who needs to bill clients professionally and receive payments online. First, log in to your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Make sure your account is verified and that Payoneer's payment request feature is available in your account. If you do not see the option, check the Verification Center for any pending requirements. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Get Paid or Request a Payment. The exact wording may look slightly different depending on your account layout. Select the option to create a new payment request. Next, enter your client's details. This may include the client's name, company name, email address, country, and any other required information. Make sure the email address is correct because Payoneer will send the payment request or invoice link to that email. Now enter the payment details. Add the amount you want to charge, the currency, and a clear description of the product or service. For example, you can write website design, video editing, consulting service, monthly project work, or any other service you provided. If Payoneer allows attachments, upload supporting documents such as an invoice file, contract, work summary, or order details. This can help your client understand what the payment is for and may also help with Payoneer's review process. Before sending, review everything carefully. Check the client's email, amount, currency, payment description, and any attached files. If something is incorrect, edit it before continuing. When everything looks correct, click Send Request or Submit. Payoneer will send the payment request to your client. Your client can then open the link and pay using one of the supported payment methods, depending on their country and Payoneer's available options. After sending the invoice, you can track its status in your Payoneer account. It may show as pending, paid, canceled, or under review. If the client pays successfully, the money will appear in your Payoneer balance after processing. If your request is delayed or rejected, check whether Payoneer needs additional information. You may need to provide more details about the service, your client, or the payment purpose. That's how to send an invoice on Payoneer safely and professionally. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.